6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. On the shoulders of Atlas, the SS Deke Slayton II orbital Atlas-Cygnus spacecraft soars toward the International Space Station. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2. Seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. On the shoulders of Atlas, the SS Deke Slayton II orbital Atlas-Cygnus spacecraft soars toward the International Space Station.
Has gone closed loop control. HAR roll program's begun. Body rates look good.
Listening to Marty Malinowski.
180 pump speeds and jerky pressures are banned for Centaur. Body rates continue to look nominal.
Seconds into flight.
Body rates climbing somewhat, so controlling well. RD 180. Pump speeds, injector pressures all look good. Gun flying the zero angle attack phase of flight. HER roll program is now complete. Body rings controlling right down the middle. Currently accelerating at 1.6 Gs.
Standing by to pass through Mach 1.
Mach 1.
And approaching maximum dynamic
Body rings
pressure.
continue to look good. Maximum dynamic pressure. Booster has now throttled back, right on schedule. Engine response looks good. Current altitude is 10.5 miles. Downrange distance 5.2 miles. Current velocity 1,876 miles per hour. Range track shows the vehicle making good progress right down the middle of the range. Pump speeds, injector pressures look good for the throttle setting. Body rates continue to look good.
2 minutes, 10 seconds into flight. Marty Malinowski giving us updates as the Atlas flies uphill toward the International Space
Closed loop
Station.
stern has been enabled. Body rates continue to look very good. Q alpha limited steering has begun. The vehicle is now less than 1/2 its liftoff weight. The RCS pyro valve has been fired. That system is now pressurizing the flight levels. Signatures look good. Current altitude is 28 miles. Downrange distance 38 miles. Current velocity 4,285 miles per hour. Coming up on our 3.5 G throttle segment.
3 minutes into flight.
And the booster has begun to throttle, 3.5 Gs. Q alpha limited steering is complete.
About 45 seconds away from booster engine cutoff. Followed about 6 seconds later by the Centaur
Launch
second
vehicle is
stage
now
separation.
1/4 its liftoff. Coming up on our boost phase cool down phase. And boost phase cool down has begun. Signatures look good so far. we have engine shutdown.
Engine shutdown as planned.
We have retros and stage separation. We have LOX and fuel pre-start. The GN2 purge firing of the RCS is underway. And we have ignition and full thrust on the RL-10.
The Centaur single RL-10C engine has ignited to begin about a 13.5 minute burn that will take Cygnus into low Earth orbit, generating 22,900 pounds of thrust with the engine.
And we have had the format change. Data has resumed. All signatures look good across the format change. Centaur has completed its role to optimize telemetry. RL-10 continues to perform well. Currently flying at an altitude of 194 miles, downrange distance 681 miles, current velocity 10,456 miles per hour.
7 minutes 25 seconds into the mission of Cygnus to the International Space Station.
Seeing our normal thermal conditioning firings on the RCS. Flying temperatures have warmed near bottle temperatures on the RCS. Body rates continue to look good. Tank pressures are stable. Storage bottle pressures look good. Bus and battery voltages are stable as well. Range track shows the vehicle continues to make good progress right down the middle of the corridor. Currently flying at an altitude of 213 miles, downrange distance 870 miles, current velocity 10,850 miles per hour. Tank pressures